So as the second part of my original unboxing video, I opened up the main panel, and the buttons, they are Sanwa as I requested. That's really good. The joystick, it's just a generic one. It has a Sanwa restrictor. I'm not sure if you can see it in the camera, but it says Sanwa here and Sanwa over here. That's good. The levers by themselves, they feel a little loose. Usually I just update the springs and even the actuators to make them work better with my playstyle. So here's what's inside. I found that the main power button, it's on the side in here, and we have this new Pandora box card. Here are all the devices for. I'm no expert in the features at the moment, but I'm pretty sure I will be changing those levers to be somewhat detachable, and adding some batteries to make it totally portable. So that's it for our small update. See you guys around. Goodbye.